Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be working on building myself some studio quality speakers by converting these low quality speakers to high quality using a Kenwood 22,000 kilohertz plus or minus 20 and using Pioneer 31,000 to 44,000 kilohertz range. Alright, let's get into it, guys. Right guys, on each box at least we've got a template. You can just see the perforations there, and that's what we're going to use to cut our speaker bus perfectly. Right guys, we're going to utilize the existing connection terminals that's on the box, and we're going to just connect it up and then connect it straight to our amplifier. It's going to come at the back. Alright, we're just gonna connect up the bass speaker now. It's all 4 ohm speakers connected in series, so it's gonna connect up to the amp quite fine. Right guys, thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the alarm button to receive future notifications. All the speakers are going to be linked in the description below, all the Amazon links. And thank you guys, and just take your seats and look forward to the performance check. Right guys, we're back. Finished the speakers. I've got them hooked up to my Audio 40 classic amplifier. Pushes out quite a punch, so I must say these speakers are very loud and they're very crisp. Take a listen guys. I got it paired with my Alexa, and Alexa connects to the speakers.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Right guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the alarm button. Thank you so much guys, take care.